The new 3008 is available in 3 trim levels, Active, Allure and GT, each of which can be upgraded with an optional equipment package. Entry-level Active trim, for example, is equipped as standard with 17-in aluminum wheels, keyless ignition and dual-zone air conditioning, but gains extra kit including electrically folding mirrors and front parking sensors with application of the Active Pack. The 3008 has also gained a new entry-level plug-in hybrid option to sit underneath the 296 bhp, four-wheel drive hybrid 4300. As with the Vauxhall Grandland X Hybrid, the new 3008 Hybrid 225 features the PSA Group's 178 bhp Puretech 181.6-liter 4-cylinder petrol motor mated to a 108 bp electric motor for a combined 222 bhp, which is sent to the front wheels only through an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The new plug-in option shares its 13.2 kWh lithium-ion battery with the more powerful car, and is capable of traveling up to 35 miles on electric power, compared to the Hybrid 4's 37 miles. Both cars can be charged in 1H 45 mins from a 7.4 kW wall box.